XR Mustang Learning Lab Grant, Transforming Elementary Science Through Immersion Learning at Nesbitt Elementary School. This video will cover the instructional gap identification, evaluation of XR technologies, diversity and inclusion in XR, the budget, and project breakdown. The school is currently experiencing an instructional gap on grades 3 through 5 in the area of science achievement. Current data shows that students are performing with 24% proficiency compared to the state's average of 44% proficiency. Causes have been noted to be limited instructional time, minimal inquiry-based learning, a high percentage of English language learners, as well as attendance and discipline challenges. To begin our XR technology journey, we looked into resources that could provide interactive, immersive learning, make abstract concepts concrete, support spatial reasoning, and improve learning outcomes. We looked at 3 potential resources. We found that AR Moon was excellent for visualizing the solar system through interactive 3D models. We learned that Google Arts and Culture provided immersive field trips that built background knowledge, and Merge EDU provided us with hands-on mixed reality that could support learning. Using PicRat, we noted that AR Moon was not only interactive, but it amplifies the lessons. Students actively manipulate 3D space models, making abstract concepts easier to understand. Google Arts and Science, we found, was passive. However, it also amplifies the lesson. Students observe immersive environments which extend traditional instruction through virtual experiences. Merge EDU, we found, was both interactive as well as it transforms the lesson. Students explore and manipulate virtual objects, transforming science learning through a mixed reality. To help support our large ESOL population, we were looking for resources that could benefit our diverse learners, offering visual learning supports for ELL students, reducing language barriers, increasing engagement, and encouraging exploration and inquiry. We found that these resources offered virtual field trips, interactive 3D models, virtual laboratories, and Earth and space simulations. Altogether, we would be enhancing visual learning, offering better understanding, and therefore building greater confidence. Despite the many benefits that XR technology will bring our school, we do need to plan for challenges such as funding, infrastructure, teacher training, accessibility, and curriculum alignment. This budget outlines how the grant funds will be strategically invested to support the XR Mustang Learning Lab. The largest portions of the funding is dedicated to purchasing VR headsets and XR software, providing students with consistent access to immersive learning experiences. Additional funds support storage, charging equipment, teacher professional development, and instructional materials to ensure that technology is implemented effectively and sustainably. Together, these investments create an equitable learning environment where all students can engage with interactive science experiences that strengthen conceptual understanding and improve overall achievement. This grant will allow us to dedicate an XR Mustang Learning Lab for grades 3 through 5. It will allow us to align lessons with the Georgia Science Standards. It will allow teachers to reserve a lab through an online scheduling system. It will allow for 3-station rotation modules integrating VR, MR, and reflections, and it will allow for the computer science teacher or science coaches to provide implementation supports. This grant will allow for many educational benefits, such as making abstract science concepts visible and interactive, increasing student engagement and motivation. It will support ESOL and special ed learners. It will help promote inquiry, collaboration, and creativity, along with strengthening conceptual understanding and scientific reasoning. This grant will allow us to set up the XR Mustang Learning Lab into 3 stations. Students at Station 1 will be able to use resources such as ThingLink and VR headsets to explore 360-degree science environments and record their observations. At Station 2, students will use CoSpace EDU to design interactive mixed reality models and present scientific explanations. When students are able, they will go to Station 3, in which they will collaborate on a reflection of their experiences and showcase their experiences in a technological way that they see fit. The grant funds are intentionally allocated to support both the technology and the instruction needed for successful implementation. Funding will provide the VR headsets, XR software, and equipment necessary to create immersive science experiences, while also supporting teacher training and the development of standard-aligned lessons and resources. By investing in both people and technology, the XR Mustang Learning Lab will provide equitable access to engaging, hands-on science learning and create a sustainable program that can positively impact student achievement for years to come.